Hey, what is going on, guys? Team of the now here today. Today, guys, we're back on the video playing Rocket Royale. And today what we're gonna be doing is only using shotguns today. We're only gonna be using shotguns. So should be pretty easy. Shotguns are pretty good in this game. Why does it say welcome to? I already played this game before. But anyways, let's get right through this. Alright, guys, we're back. And let's get this challenge started. Alrighty, first house. That out. Oh, and I cannot use grenades at all either. Great, man, great. And they are healed. But no shotgun. I only have an apple in my inventory. Can I get something else? Empty. Are you serious? Alright, there goes my apple. Can't heal, I guess. This little shed, give me a gun. Or should they say a shotgun? This thing better have something. I made a med kit. It's not too bad. No, it's not a shotgun. Please? You're funny. Is done. Oh, belts. Oh no. Oh. Oh, please! Can I get a shotgun? 13 lives, 0 kills. No shotgun. What a minute, kid. Shield. Taking that. We love having full shield. We have fine health. Okay, shotgun. It's amazing. Someone literally just... minigun. No! Alright, guys, we're back. Part 2. Alright, attempt 2, guys. Oh, wait. Please, these homes, I can trust them. No, shield. Rob that, dude. I want that. I'm gonna get that for that. You know what, if I win this game, if I go to the rocket and winning, it's still gonna count. Actually, no, I at least gotta get 2 kills with a shotgun. Or at least, 1. 2 would be good. But, still, at least. 1.
I believe I can fly.
Hey! No. Leftovers. Oh, sniper. No. Shotgun? What is that? Dang it! Shotgun, please. Shotgun. Come on. Please, let me find a shotgun. shotgun? Oh my gosh, crossbow, bro. Surely a shotgun will be in this house, right? Come on. Right? Right? I love this game. It's fun. And looted. Shotgun! No! We gonna win! I want to pick up that so badly, but it doesn't matter. Purple shot off. Let's go. If I get a spaz, that'd be nice. Shield! Oh, shield! Can I drop the deagle? Can I drop the deagle? 7 people left. Could I get at least 1 kill? Shield! Leftover shield. Don't bother me. Shoot the gun! Oh! I'm gonna build a rocket, guys. I can build a... Drop you. Drop you. Drop you. Okay. Lego. 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 Lego!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, well, wait till this, oh. Yeah, baby! Who kills? It's mind my own business, so I gotta build those ramps. I didn't. Okay, you know what? Two shotguns. Get you on here. Oh! What?